installing a huge liquid CPU cooler into my new gaming PC. The old CPU cooler I was using wasn't bad, but I wanted to step it up a notch. Without further ado, let's install this. This is only 1 month worth of dust, by the way. Anyway, first let's take out the old CPU cooler and wipe the CPU down with some isopropyl alcohol to clean it. I slid the AIO's radiator into the case and its fans are screwed in. Always remember to peel off this warning label. And for our thermal paste, we'll be using the new Arctic MX5, which I recently made a video on if you want to check it out. Add a pea-sized amount of MX5, place the CPU block on and screw it in. And here is everything completely finished. It ended up looking perfect for this black and white themed PC. Our CPU is hitting 32 degrees at idle and just above 60 under load. I'm very satisfied with how this turned out.